the vectors a and b are such that a is equal to 3 cos theta plus 6i plus 7j, and b is cos theta minus 2i plus 1 plus sine theta j. Given that a and b are perpendicular, show that 3 sine squared theta minus 7 sine theta plus 2 is equal to 0. So if a and b are perpendicular, then their scalar product, a dot b, will have to be equal to 0. So if we find the scalar product of these two and put them equal to 0, I'm going to write them as column vectors. So 3 cos theta plus 6 and 7 dot cos theta minus 2, 1 plus sine theta is equal to 0. So we have to do this times this. So it's 3 cos theta plus 6 times cos theta minus 2 plus 7 times 1 plus sine theta is equal to 0. Multiplying out, we're going to get 3 cos squared theta minus 6 cos theta plus 6 cos theta minus 12 plus 7 plus 7 sine theta is equal to 0. These two things here will cancel out. So we're going to have, this is all in terms of sine, so we need to change this one. So we've got cos squared theta is 1 minus sine squared theta, so we're going to have 3 brackets 1 minus sine squared theta minus 5 minus 12 plus 7 plus 7 sine theta is equal to 0. So we're going to have 3 minus 3 sine squared theta minus 5 plus 7 sine theta. 3 minus 5 gives me minus 2. So we've got minus 3 sine squared theta plus 7 sine theta minus 2 is equal to 0. We'll multiply through by minus 1, so we're going to get 3 sine squared theta minus 7 sine theta plus 2 is equal to 0. As required by the question. Find the smallest possible value of theta. So we've got 3 sine squared theta minus 7 sine theta plus 2 is equal to 0. We're going to try to factorize this. So we've got product, which is 3 times 2, which is 6. And the sum, which is minus 7 in the middle. We want two numbers which multiply together gives 6 and give a sum of minus 7. So the answer is going to be minus 6 and minus 1. So we will write this up and we'll split the middle term up. So we've got 3 sine squared theta minus 6 sine theta minus sine theta. So we split the middle term up. Plus 2 is equal to 0. Factorize by grouping. So we're going to get 3 sine theta brackets sine theta minus 2 minus brackets 1 times sine theta minus 2 is equal to 0. This now is a common factor, so this can now come out. So we've got sine theta minus 2, and we have 3 sine theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So either sine theta minus 2 is equal to 0, which means that sine theta is equal to 2, that's not possible, or 3 sine theta minus 1 is equal to 0, which gives that sine theta is 1/3. Sine to the minus 1 or 1/3, and we want the smallest possible, so we only want to look at the first angle only, is 0.34 radians or 19.5 degrees.